G'day guys, welcome back to another video. The question of the day is, are you able to sell your product on Amazon? Are there restrictive niches? Are there gated niches or categories, right? Is your product, do you need extra certification? Do you need a patent? All these questions, am I infringing on somebody else's copyright? I'm going to answer in this video, plus much more, so stay with me. Welcome back guys, it's good to have you here. So the question of the day is, you get some people, some folks who have their product locked down. They know that their product is, it's a winner, it's making, in terms of turnover, they've done the numbers, they're talking with the supplier and they're thinking, you know what? Do I need a patent for this? Do I need copyright for this? Is this a restrictive category, right? What is a restrictive category? If you're selling stuff like, some articles of clothing, bullets, alcohol, of course, right? Restrictive, right? If you're selling some baby products or some other products, right, they're called gated. So there's you just need extra permissions. They're easy to do. We've done it. We've helped clients get them, get through gated permissions all the time and get their product on Amazon selling. But it's just another little hurdle, right? It's not a big hurdle. It's just another hurdle to get through, right? So how do you go about finding whether or not your product is okay to sell on Amazon? So these are some of the questions you get asked. Now, first of all, I'm going to address their whole patents and copyright and all this other stuff, right? You get some people who are like, oh, Alex, I'm going to get a patent on my product. Should I do this before ordering, before selling? Should I do it? Now, let me tell you guys, ask the supplier whether or not they have a patent, because there's a good chance that they will have a patent on their product, all right? So there's a good chance that they will have already got the certifications, the CE certificates, the made in China stickers, right? The suffocation notices on the product, right? All that sort of stuff. Most of the time, I would say 90% of the time, the supplier looks after that for you. Now, what you need to do is, whatever product you need, or whatever product that you're selling on Amazon, what you need to do is you type in your product to basically say into Google, right? You can say, for example, if it's, cloth towels, right? Cloth towels, Amazon, product listing, restrictions, right? Googling that and just really spending about 10 minutes, right? You'll learn more in that 10 minutes than most people would, but just going back and forward, asking the supplier or asking Amazon or jumping on YouTube and learning that way, right? Just doing a Google search and finding out whether or not your product is actually on there, and if there's any restrictive sort of stuff around your product, or potentially if it's a gated product. So do the research before jumping in on the boat and paying money to the supplier, right? So make sure you do that, guys. It is important to do that, to do your research, right? Now, in terms of patents, most of the time the supplier does have a patent on their product. This is what you need to ask the supplier. Do I need a patent? Have you brought this product to Australia before? Have you ever sent this to another Amazon seller in Australia before? If I send this to the US, do I need a patent in the US for this particular product? They will, 90% of the time, have the answers to that question. So make sure you check it out, guys. And do your due diligence. And that's essentially what it is, what it's all about. Do your due diligence and basically find out whether or not your product is okay to sell on Amazon. Most of the time it is, but just be aware of that. Guys, have a fantastic day. I wish you all the best. And don't forget, if you want to find out more information, check out our live event, which is happening in 2 weeks from now. 2 weeks, I'm running a live event. For 2 days, we're going to be finding products in the room. We'll be finding suppliers in the room, and we will be listing products on Amazon in the room as well. Have a great day, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. See you later.